Digital marketing is one of the hottest careers of 2024. People in India make an average of 5 to 10 lakhs as a digital marketer, but as a digital marketing freelancer in India, you can make anywhere between 1 to 5 lakhs per month. This video is going to be about the 5 free courses that you can take in 2024 to become a digital marketer and start getting paid. If that sounds interesting, make sure you watch till the end. Hit the like button and do consider subscribing. What is digital marketing? Well, let me explain. Digital marketing is like advertising on the internet. It uses online methods such as social media, emails, and ads to tell people about things and get them interested. Now, let's discuss about the free digital marketing courses. Firstly, course on Coursera, called the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. It's a professional certificate from Google under the Grow with Google program. The course has 7 parts, starting with the basics of digital marketing and e-commerce. You'll learn about entry-level responsibilities, moving on to attracting and engaging customers through digital marketing. The content covers building brand awareness, optimizing websites for SEO, and understanding search engine marketing. The third part focuses on using social media for marketing. These courses are free and can be accessed by enrolling through the video description. Each course is available for free auditing, making it a great opportunity to learn valuable digital marketing skills from Google. That's the first one. Secondly, I recommend checking out HubSpot Academy for great digital marketing courses. The digital marketing certification course is particularly useful for beginners. It covers basics like SEO, organic growth, ad strategy, and more in about 5 hours. The course is free, with quiz, 37 videos, and 9 lessons. If you're new to digital marketing, it's a must-try. Find the link in the video description and hit the like button if you find this helpful. On the third list we have SemRush Academy, which offers a variety of digital marketing courses, such as Digital Advertising 101, which covers the basics of running ads, targeting the right audience, and selling effectively. The courses include topics like YouTube and SEO strategies, digital advertising campaigns, metrics, e-commerce SEO, PPC campaigns, on-page SEO, technical SEO, and email marketing for comprehensive learning. Fourth one is the course, launched by one of the biggest YouTuber named Alexhosi on his website. In Alexhosi's digital marketing course, you'll learn how to get more customers online through lead generation. The course breaks down easy strategies to help you understand and improve your digital marketing skills. On last we have Meta's social media marketing course. This is your all-in-one guide to becoming a digital marketer. Covering essential topics, this course equips you with the skills needed for effective online marketing. From understanding social media platforms to mastering strategies, Meta's course provides a complete foundation for success in the digital marketing landscape. The link for all the above courses is linked down in the description. That's it for today. If you found this video informative, give me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing for more such video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.